I have now the Marshall Emberton III for about 3 months with me and has been one of the best speakers I ever owned. There's just one little thing that annoys me all the time, which is the Bluetooth connection with the Marshall app. Most YouTubers just review for 1 week or just 2 days. I have this Marshall Emberton III for about 3 months and I use it almost every single day. The main reason that made me choose this specific speaker over JBL, Sony and Bose is actually the battery duration. It lasts up to 32 hours and this is the main reason that made me switch from this one that lasts me about 3 hours and this one that lasts me easily a week. The box that comes with it is actually very simple, but it has a nice design. There's just a very quick instruction about how to use the speaker, and also it comes with a power cord to charge it, as it is charged by USB-C. So showing you guys now the initial setting, add device, and I will be searching, so I need to turn it on. And now I'll just need to click add, push the Bluetooth. So now we'll show the Emberton 3, accept the Bluetooth pairing request, continue. So now we'll also show the low connection Bluetooth as a pair, and now I have the app over here. So within the app we can do a few settings, equalizer presets. So I can choose Marshall, which is the fine tune Marshall signature, the push and the voice. And being honest with you, I feel between the push and the voice it kinda overdo it, so I just leave in the original, which is the Marshall. Apart from that, you see that we have the battery preservation, and if I click it, if you don't want any preservation or if you wanted the maximum preservation. So the maximum preservation you're gonna have keep to the 95%. The temperature, which will try to load the charging speed if the temperature is high, and the charging speed, which instead of fast charge, it would just try to charge very slow. So that's the setting that they allow you to do, and apart from that, you don't have anything else into the app. So now I'll put some music so you guys can decide if it is a good sound or no. So they say this is a true stereophonic 360 speaker, so meaning that the sound comes from 360. So as you can see, you have the grids on the back, the grids on the front, and this is basically an updated version from Marshall Emberton II. I never owned Marshall Emberton II, so unfortunately I cannot give any feedback because this is my first Marshall. I can definitely say this speaker over here is very nice. The quality and sound wise is very good. They say it's weatherproof and also dust proof. As you can see, it's IPX rated, which is very nice if I want to take this one to the beach or to any specific place, but most of the times I try to keep it clean over my desk and just use when I'm working. So usually I'm charging this speaker every 2 weeks. Sometimes if I'm using a lot, every 1 week, but the battery of this one, it lasts for a long time. I have nothing to say bad about this speaker over here. I feel that compared to JBL, it loses a little bit into the bass. JBL has way more bass than this speaker over here, and each brander target their own audience, so I'm not too fussy about that. So just to wrap it up, I pay about $230 on this speaker over here. Nowadays, the last time I saw it was in promotion about 170 Australian dollars, and I can tell you that I would buy this speaker again. mostly because of the long battery life, but as well for the sound quality and the look and the feel that's very premium. Very easy to turn on. Once you pair via Bluetooth to your phone, it just stay connected. It's just the trouble with the Marshall app. If you like this video, drop a comment and tell me which speaker are you using right now and what's the one thing that you wish it did better.